Let's do a quick unboxing of Google Pixel 10. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside and how the phone looks like. So let's get right into it. There we go. So the box looks pretty tight and let's just open it. Let's see what we get inside. There we go. We have our phone. In my case, I have chosen the indigo color. Here we can find some papers and even the SIM eject tool, but nothing unusual here. We're gonna take a look at the phone just in a second, but first, let's see what else we have here. So as you can see, we have the USB-C cable, which is pretty standard. Unfortunately, no charger or power adapter included. So of course, you probably shouldn't expect a power adapter to be included inside the box, but in some cases, apparently, Pixel Snap was included as a part of an offer or promotional offer. I don't know, I'm not sure, but apparently some people were lucky to receive that. So now let's get right into our phone. And this is how the phone looks like. There we go. At the top, we have the SIM tray, if of course it is included in your region, because not every region has the SIM tray. We have the microphone. Here is the left side of the phone. There's nothing here. On the right side, we have the power button and two volume buttons, of course. Over here at the bottom, of course, we have the charging port, USB-C port. We have the speaker and quite a huge microphone. And of course we have the back with cameras, the flashlight. The microphone is also included over here. I'm not sure if I can really show you, but here there is a little dot. There we go. That is of course the microphone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.